Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, and keyboard. Removal. Open the notebook. Remove the four 3mm P1 Phillips-head screws in the keyboard bay that secure the fan to the top cover. Close the notebook. Partially remove the adhesive tape that secures the fan to the top cover. Disconnect the fan cable from the connector on the system board and remove it from the routing channel on the top cover. Lift the locking bar up on the power button board ZIF connector and disconnect the power button board ribbon cable from the system board. Remove the power button board ribbon cable from the adhesive that secures it to the top cover. Loosen the two captive P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the fan to the top cover. Lift the fan off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Replacement. Slide the fan under the heatsink and place it on the alignment pins on the top cover. Tighten the two captive P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the fan to the top cover. Reconnect the fan cable to its connector on the system board. Replace the adhesive tape that secures the fan cable to the top cover. Insert the power button board ribbon cable into the power button board ZIF connector and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Press down on the power button board ribbon cable to adhere it to the top cover. Open the notebook. Replace the four 3mm P1 Phillips-head screws in the keyboard bay that secure the fan to the top cover.